Hey guys, this is Raekwon Farrell here at Creative Alliance in East Baltimore, where kids are getting a hands-on experience with art projects and affecting the community in a positive way. Let's check it out. Creative Alliance builds communities by bringing artists and audiences from diverse backgrounds to experience arts and education programs and engage in the creative process.
Open Minds is running. It's our literacy and visual arts program using a lot of African folkloric stories such as Anansi the Spider.
In our visit that day, we saw how youth workers are teaching youth how to make lanterns for the great Halloween Lantern Parade in October. I even got a hands-on lesson.
And this year, for this parade, our theme is nature. There's actually a lot of things that we do. First, we do the lantern prep. Then upstairs, we work with Open Minds, which is a summer camp filled with kids. We also get to work with other people as well, see what their talents are.
Upstairs, we found little kids getting a lesson on African folklore by creating an art project with Nancy the South African Spider.
We're working on Anansi the Spider, like doing all the crafts that, like the sticking, and like you get to sketch out everything first so you know what you want to draw.
One of the biggest takeaways from my experience was hearing about the impact on not only the kids, but those who have come back to work at Creative Alliance.
All of our events at the Creative Alliance leave a lasting impact on children. We have children who have grown up around the Creative Alliance, meaning that they started programs here when they were very young and now have gone through Baltimore City Public Schools and other schools in the area and have graduated or in college that come back to tell us how important the Creative Alliance and its programming was to their development.
They're getting to know like new art. Last year I did the Swan. Get to meet new people and bring more new relationships.
I had a great time seeing the kids at Creative Alliance and learning how they are involved with the community and impacting lives. This has been Raekwon Farrell with the City School Student Media Team. See you next time.